Hello, in this video I want to show you how to extract RAR and ZIP archives on Lenovo Tab M10 Plus. And to do this, you'll need to get the RAR app I shown you previously on how to download it. So now let's enter this app. Here locate the files that you want to unpack, click on them. You'll enter extraction options by clicking on the arrow pointing up button right there. Here you can change anything about the unpacking process. Also pick a browse to change the designation where the files will be unpacked. I want them in the movies folder right here. Click on OK to save that. And when you're done with the settings, click on OK as well, and your files should be unpacked. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.